To set text alignment in HTML, use the style attribute. The attribute is used with the HTML p tag or paragraph tag with the CSS property text align for the center, left, and right alignment. Example, p. Inside the p tag, we will type style equals text align colon center close quotation mark. Center text. Control S to save. Right click, reload. The output is located at the center of the web page. You can also try left alignment and right alignment, but always remember that the default alignment of HTML is the left alignment. This time, we will try the right alignment. Right, right, text. Control S to save, right-click reload to check your output. As you can see, the output or the text is located at the right side of the web page. That's all for today. Goodbye and God bless you. Keep safe everyone.